Good morning, teachers and friends. I am Sophia and I will be advocating for bullying. Bullying is an act of tormenting, forcing one to do something against their own will, or intimidating a younger person or smaller than them. It can be in the form of speech, language, or actions. Bullying can happen anytime, anywhere. It can happen in school, at home, or even outside. An example can be when you are out with your friends and you don't fancy this particular person. You may criticize or make fun of the way your friend dresses or looks indirectly, which can affect his or her own self-esteem when they notice what you are trying to say. This results in them overthinking and really wonder if they can accept the way they look. Another example is the calling of names, which can affect the person's feelings. You may not think it is bullying, but it is. This friend may be comfortable with you calling him or her names at first, since you are both very close, but over time, if the calling of name persists, he or she may feel hurt and really think badly of their own self. A joke can be funny at first, but if it keeps getting repeated, it isn't funny anymore. This results in them again seeing themselves in a negative light. Bullying is really something serious. Many commit suicide because of it. The idea of not living up to the society's beauty standards burdens them into thinking that they're not pretty enough, slim enough, or whatever. They don't feel good about themselves like how they're supposed to. The stress they bear to fit in the crowd is unbearable to them. Sure, some of us may say we help these people, but have you ever tried to stop the bully from terrorizing the poor innocent person? This is something we all should think about. The bully may be bigger than us and we are scared to confront them, but what's the least that we can do? We can inform the adults. If it's in school, then tell the teachers. If it's outside, then try to get help. Inform someone, anyone. A better way to treat your friend can be to spread love and it not be big. Just a short dialogue like, "Are you happy these days? You seem happier, healthier now." Or something along that line can make one feel happier about themselves. In conclusion, I feel that people should really be against bullying and not practice it. No one deserves the hate, no matter the attitude. If you don't have anything nice to say to them, don't say anything. If they are happy with themselves, not even you and I have the right to bring them down. Bullying is not right. Thank you.